Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your GatesFX account. So right now what we're going to do is we click here on verify now, and now we will get this screen. Then we click here on continue, and then first of all what you need to do is we need to provide our identity. So we will do this real quick. So we click right here on start, agree and continue, and then right here select the one that we want to use. So let's say we want to use my driver license, and then we do continue. Then right now we need to upload right here the front and the back side. So I will do that real quick. And now we do continue. Then right now he's asking to make a selfie. Now I'm recording with my camera right here, so it's not possible. So we click here on continue with your phone, and then we select this QR code with our phone. So we will do that real quick. Boom. There we did it. And now what we need to do is continue, give slim up access. And then right now we need to make a picture of ourselves. So I just did that. Now we do continue. Verifying your selfie right here. And that is also seen right here on the screen. And then right now we verified our account. So it's that easy. So hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.